I believe creativity can be expressed through technology if you use technology as your tools, as what I like to say, your paints. My name is Ricardo Rivera, and I'm a site-specific video installation artist. I started creating video projection mapped installations as a way to get beyond the screen. So I just took my projector and I aimed it from the wall and pointed it at my kitchenette, opened up my computer program, and I literally started figuring out how to isolate the cabinets, the refrigerator, all with one projector. I maintain a beginner's mindset by letting things kind of be. Sometimes the hardest thing to do is to get out of your own way. If I can create these special moments in time, in a place, then I've done my job.